Hello students, today we learn network devices or network hardware. So in computer networking, the smooth functioning of a computer network, other than computers and wiring, many devices or special hardware play important roles. So whenever we want to make computer network, apart from computers and wiring, there are many other devices for use smooth functioning of a computer network. So they are following: NIC, Wi-Fi card, hub, switch, bridge, router, gateway and access point. So today we learn one by one. Our first is NIC. It stands for Network Interface Card. In general term, it is also known as LAN card, Local Area Network Card. It is a device that is attached to each workstation and server. So this device is attached to a workstation and the server. It helps the workstation establish all the important connection with the network. So whenever we are creating network, at all computers we need NIC or LAN card, which create a important connection with the network. Each NIC that is attached to a workstation has a unique number identifying it. So every NIC card has unique number which is known as node address. The NIC card is also known as terminal access point. The NIC manufacturer assign a unique physical address to each NIC card. So computer manufacturer company assign unique physical address to every LAN card, which is known as MAC. This physical address is known as MAC address. So MAC stands for Media Access Control Address. So MAC address is like a 6-byte address, which with each byte separated by a colon sign, like. So there are 6 parts of MAC address, which all part is separated by the colon sign. So in the following diagram, this is our LAN card or NIC card, which is attached to a workstation which are already connected to a server. So every LAN card has a physical address which will be defined by the manufacturer companies, and this physical address is known as MAC address, Media Access Control Address. MAC address is a 6-byte address with each byte separated by a colon sign. Our second network device is Wi-Fi card. It is either an internal or external local area network adapter with a built-in wireless radio and antenna. So it can be internal or can be external, built-in wireless radio and antenna. The most common Wi-Fi card used in desktop computer are PCI Express Wi-Fi cards, made to fit PCI Express card slot on the motherboard. It means this card slot already built in computer, we can use directly with attached with that particular slot. This card allow you to set up your workstation or home office without considering the proximity or availability of hardline network access. So this card make available our device as a wireless network, so we can connect other wireless computer or other wireless device by this Wi-Fi card. So our third topic is hub. What is hub? A hub is a hardware device used to connect several computers together. So whenever we want to connect our server with multiple computers, that time we will use a hub. A hub contains multiple independent but connected modules of network and inter-network equipment. A hub is a networking device having multiple ports that are used for connecting multiple computer or a segment of LAN together. So hub can be understood by this diagram, that we want to connect our computers from a server. So server has a common wiring point which is called hub. A hub contains lots of connecting port where we can connect multiple computer to the hub. So it is a common wiring input, common wiring device which is used to attach multiple computer. So generally hub are two types, active hub and passive hub. So first is active hub. Electrically amplify the signal as it moves from one connected device to another. Whenever signal travels from a distance, our signal becomes weak. So to amplify or boost this signal, we use active hubs. So active hub are used as a repeater to extend the length of a network. So generally active hub used to boost or amplify the signal because signal are get weak from because the distance of different devices in the network. Our second is passive hub. It allows the signal to pass from one computer to another computer without any change. So without any change, this passive hub is used to pass signal from one computer to another computer. So this is a diagram of hub. Hub is comes into the 8 point slot, 16 point slot, 24 point slot, 64 point slots. So where we can connect multiple computers. Our fourth device is switch. A switch is a device that is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called subnets or LAN segment. Segmenting the network into smaller subnet prevents traffic overloading in a network. A switch is responsible for filtering, example, transforming data in a specific way and forwarding packets between LAN segments. Switch can support any packet protocol. LANs that are segmented through switches are called switched LANs. Sometimes our LAN becomes very large. So to divide or making segment of a LAN and prevent traffic overloading, that time we will use switch. So if any network has switch, such kind of network is called as switched LAN. So, and what is our packet? So packet is a piece of message being transmitted. So smallest part of our information which are going to transmit using in any network is known as packet. So a switch is responsible for filtering, example, transforming data in a special way and forwarding packets. And packets is what? A piece of message being transmitted. So whatever LAN is using switch or segmented through switch is called switched LAN. So today we learned what is our network devices, what kind of network devices are we are going to study, and we will learn first by first, one by one. NIC, second is Wi-Fi card, third is hub, and fourth is switch. And this is a diagram of switch.